You might think of financial independence as a distant ideal, but it doesn't have to be. You have already begun the process of creating your own destiny by taking control of your finances. However, what does financial independence actually entail? Simply expressed, it indicates that you are able to support yourself without having to work. It denotes that you are able to fully finance your life using your assets and savings. It is entirely up to you how you use your good fortune. You might need to spend your money, sell some of your possessions, or just get enough passive income to get by. How much money will I need to achieve financial security? Depending on your personal goals, desires, and way of life, you may need a different amount of money to reach financial independence. Financial independence occurs when you are able to support your desired quality of living, whether modest or opulent, on your own and without needing to work. It doesn't cost much money to achieve financial independence if all you need to do is pay your regular fixed costs. On the other hand, it will require a lot more saving if you want to keep up your high quality of living with pricey real estate, extra purchases, and travel. You can change your way of life if you work for your objectives over the long run and maintain earning more money. How do you become self-sufficient financially? You should take small steps toward financial independence so that you may enjoy your freedom. Start with taking stock of your current financial status, then start reining in your spending and creating more passive income. This is how it goes. Step 1. What is your current financial situation? It's crucial to carefully examine your starting point first. You might begin by creating a budget. What financial resources do you now have? What amount can you put down each month? Do you already have any investments or reserves? If so, how well are they doing? Do you still owe money on any loans that you have taken out? Step 2. Set goals. Think carefully about what achieving financial independence means to you, what you want to do, and when you want to achieve it in the second phase. Is your ultimate objective just to retire early, or do you also want to travel the world, own a sizable home, and purchase the car of your dreams? When establishing these objectives, take into account your current circumstances because unrealistic expectations can quickly demotivate you. Few people suddenly become rich. Set up a number of interim objectives to help you move incrementally toward your ideal. Step 3. Create reserves. Building up a reserve is advised before considering investing your money because something unexpected could happen and you would need money right away. For instance, your car can break down and require significant repairs or replacement, or you might become suddenly unwell and be unable to work for a while. As a general rule, you should have 3 months' worth of expenses available. The majority of issues can be resolved with this amount without it being extravagant. You will be able to cover your living expenditures for a while, which will give you time to restore your balance. Step 4. Make your money work for you. Every additional euro you are able to set aside should now be used to acquire new assets, to gain profit either through price appreciation or by generating passive income. There are a plethora of different possibilities and investments. If you are unfazed about inflation, like predictability and want a reliable income, bonds would be a great investment for you. If you prefer tangible assets and want high returns, but can stomach fluctuating values, stocks are a better fit. In order to get one step closer to your financial freedom, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.